Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. Let me introduce you today to a patient named Jeff. Jeff, a little interesting story. He's a guy in his mid-40s. He's got substantial hair loss, and he had a previous procedure before I met him. So in his 20s, he had a procedure to address it when he started to thin in the crown. It kind of goes against my philosophy to address the crown thinning early on with the guy in his 20s. And Jeff is a perfect example why, because now in his 40s, he's got a patch of hair in the crown, but he's losing a lot around it. So what we did was we did not strengthen the crown area at all. We strengthened the front and created a very natural appearance. He still has great donor. We may still go back and reinforce other areas to give him a better blend throughout. But I think you'll see the results in a close-up of the work that was done. When we did the second procedure, we removed the previous linear scar that he had from his procedure in his 20s. So ultimately, he winds up with a better-looking donor area as well by revising and surgically improving that area. Thanks very much for tuning in. It's Dr. Boden, the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut.